Hi and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. An electrifying Emancifest 2017 awaits thousands of Jamaicans this year. The event was yesterday launched at the offices of the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, and organizers promise another monumental community-based festival showcasing Jamaica's rich cultural heritage in this, their 10th staging.
We believe that cultural activities like ours really need to be preserved. It is a real opportunity for us to be able to determine our future by having a look at our past. So Sligoville being the first free village, and the first free village not just in Jamaica but in the English-speaking Caribbean, makes it extremely significant for the people of Sligoville. And we don't want anyone to ever forget how important this is to us, and we want our children to know for generations to come. I decided once I became MP that this was too significant to allow it to be such a small event, and so we just kind of stepped it up a notch, went out, sought sponsorship, joined forces with the community, and the team together we have produced a festival now which has become a part of the national landscape, cultural landscape of the Emancipendence period.
The event features performances from Kevin Downswell, Jermaine Edwards, Rondell Positive, Queen Ifrica, Sizzler, Romaine Virgo, and many more, and will include a number of family-oriented activities to engage patrons.
We have a range of events, but we also crown an Emancipation Queen who serves for 1 year, and in that role participates in community activities and is a scholarship event, so that person is able to get assistance to go on to tertiary studies. So it really is an event which provides for the cultural, economical and educational content that is required for any event of this nature.
Mark your calendars. Emancifest takes place on July 31 through to August 1 at the Sligoville Stadium. Dancehall artist Devin the Doctor is the first winner from a televised competition to enter the Billboard chart. The former Magnum King is featured on the track titled Oh Devil by California band Electric Guest, which entered the Billboard Hot Rock Songs chart at number 47. Devin is scheduled to take the Reggae Sumfest stage on Dancehall Night, and fans can expect a solid set from the fast-rising artist. Down Sound Entertainment and FranJam Limited have signed an intellectual property agreement which allows FranJam to have access to 25 years of content to be used in the group's latest franchise model, Sumfest Acoustic Cafe. FranJam will now have access to high-quality audio and visual recording, which will be used to amplify the atmosphere to be created at every Sumfest Acoustic Cafe, providing authentic Jamaican stage show experience inside each location. The Sumfest Acoustic Cafe is the second franchise concept coming out of the FranJam Group under a management contract with the KLE Group. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Blessings.